What's the meaning of CD? CD. CD.
CD. CD. The term CD has multiple meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. In computing, CD generally refers to a compact disc, which is a type of optical disc used to store digital data. CDs can be used to store various types of information, including music, software, videos, and documents. They are popular due to their relatively high storage capacity and ease of use. Additionally, CD may also refer to a change directory command in a command line interface, which allows users to navigate between different directories or folders within a file system.